Making music with Riffusion AI, an alternative to SUNO AI music. Go to Riffusion website. You can listen to what's already created by others, but I am sure that's not what you are here for. So let's get to business. Log in or create an account. It's easy. You get a free plan, but if you want to make money from the AI music, get one of the paid plans. Shall we get on with it? Write a short prompt and the AI will do the hard work. Hit generate. Snack moment as you wait. You will be provided with 2 different songs. Let's listen to both. You have the lyric on the right so you can follow along. First version.
Digital display. Refresh, I can't resist. Million views, but something's missed. Living life through.
Second version.
Views going up like my bank account. Started from the bottom, now they wanna count. Fame hit different when it comes around.
Second version is my favorite. I would love to know which version is your favorite. If you have a minute, please drop a comment. Thanks in advance. The next option is Compose. It has more options where you can paste your lyrics or use the ghostwriter option. You can also choose the style of genre you want. If you generate a song and you like its vibe, you can use it to generate your next song. Just choose the part of the beats you like. Show me some love if the content is of value so far.
I went viral on YouTube.
Once you are happy with the song, download, use it for fun, or start making money.
10K in a day. Mama,